We've got lots of new model sports. We're selling them every day. First Borasco we've had for a good few days. We've had 2 others like this that didn't even hit the website. So this has arrived. It's delivery miles in the new Borasco Grey colour. D300 SE. Full black exterior pack. Upgraded 22-inch wheels in satin grey. Contrasting black roof. Electric tow bar. And it's got a sliding panoramic sunroof. It just looks lovely. And I think it's the colour. With it having the black pack, you've got the sections on the bonnets, on the wings, the badging, the inserts. 22s, different. A lot of the cars that are arriving have got black wheels. So this customer's opted for the 22s in satin grey, which look lovely. You've then got the contrasting black roof. We've got ebony leather, which I'll show you in a minute. And then at the back, it looks lovely because you've got the huge black spoiler, privacy, beautiful new design lights, and then that back section of the bumper finished in black. It looks lovely from the rear there as well. Deployable handles. Let me show you inside. So you've got ebony leather. This car is, like I said, like new. You've still got all the sticky sections even on the door handles, on the kick plates, rear heated seats, ebony leather. It's got a lovely lighter roof lining as well, which I just think breaks the car up lovely. And that roof is opening, so it's a sliding sunroof. In the front, then you've got all your new designs. You've got the new memory seats, which are built differently on the door cards. Meridian speaker system, 20-way heated seats, digital cockpit, that 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen inside. Just start the car up. Yeah, every time we get them in this colour, they just arrive and just sell instantly. So the car's got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, digital cockpit, 13.1-inch Privy Pro screen. And then you've got all your little features. So if we press in here, go into seats. Now these seats, as touched on it there, are 20-way adjustable seats. So if we go in here, they're heated in the front and they are heated in the rear as well. If we go into adjustments, then you've got all the different options, the different bolsters, so they're very comfortable. One of my favourite ones is this one. Press that button and it just brings that cushioned seat out. Very, very comfortable. Back in the main menu, you've got your full surround 3D camera system. As you can see, is absolutely superb. Back in the main menu, and I'll just quickly show you. So you've got wireless charging under there, wireless Apple CarPlay, Alexa, cabin lighting, beautiful. Navigation, multimedia, the big one. So on a standard sport like this, a D300 SE, you get a fixed glass roof. Big extra, tilt and sliding sunroof. Makes a big difference, very, very big option when you are wanting to sell the car if it's got the sliding roof. And then great boot space, electric tailgate, contrasting black roof works really well. And then you've got, press the button, electric deployable tow bar, great option. You can drop all them seats down with a press of a button. Just another fantastic Borasco Grey Sport going live, priced competitively to sell. Thank you for watching.